Hey guys, how's it going? Today I just want to kind of read you an email I had gotten earlier from Microsoft regarding my OneDrive account. And I'm sure most of you have probably already received this email, whether it have been today or maybe even yesterday. Anyway, basically what it says is we want to inform you about some upcoming changes. Now, when you get an email from Microsoft stating something like that, you pretty much get the idea it's going to be something that's probably going to piss you off. Basically what they're saying in this email is, OneDrive will change from 15 gigabytes to 5 gigabytes. We are also discontinuing the 15 gigabyte camera roll bonus. So basically, you guys remember about a year ago when everybody was given, or 2 years ago when everybody was given, basically from 15 gigs up to maybe 20. In some cases, some people were receiving 1 terabyte or unlimited data storage. And basically, a few months after that, or a year after that, they took it away. But they reduced that to the 15 gigabyte data storage for most users. Everybody was pretty much sitting around that level, 10 to 15 gigabytes. So what they're basically doing as of July 27th, 2016, they are removing an additional 10 gigs of storage from that already reduced amount. This is pissing me off, Microsoft. But basically the point I wanted to make with this video is to tell you that as a consumer, we have the power to be able to control what these major companies do. We have the power to control what any company does, any company that considers us customers. And without a customer base, that company basically has to roll back, make changes, and try to make a positive impact, bring customers back. If you look at, for example, with Microsoft's Windows 8 and Windows 8.1, basically we, the consumer, the customer, told them that, hey, listen, we don't like this. Change it, or we're gonna start using Windows Vista, maybe not Vista, Windows 7, Windows XP, and so forth. Or in some cases, a lot of people saying, hey, you know what, Apple isn't looking too bad right about now. And so with things like that, as a consumer, we need to basically take a step and say, hey, you know what, if we don't use this service, we don't use this product, eventually they're gonna look at it and say, okay, well, we're not getting a lot of subscriptions from people for this, and we're not getting a lot of subscriptions for other services, such as Office 365. A negative impact from us will force these guys to make changes. And of course, one day down the road, they'll do something else and screw that up as well, but at least it's a step for us forward. At this point, Microsoft doesn't need our money. What they need is they need basically the customers, what's the word I'm looking for here? Well, the support and the loyalty. And right now, they are losing more of that every day, forcing Windows 10 down people's throats, although I believe that it is a better operating system than its predecessor. I do believe that if they're forcing this down people's throats, eventually people are going to look at it and say, hey, we don't need this anymore, and we're just going to switch to whether it be Google Drive or another cloud storage of any kind. There's many out there now, and I'd rather pay for something that I'm going to get security from, and I know that it's always going to be there, it's going to be reliable, and they're not going to continually send me emails stating that they're going to be removing storage from my SkyDrive, basically my cloud software. So yeah, that's basically what this email said. I'm sorry, just ranting a little bit, but like I said, as a consumer, we need to make a step and maybe stop using this product altogether. You know, share this video, let people know that if you stop now and you use something else, there are other free versions of other software out there. If you continue to just step away from this and use those, showing Microsoft that, hey, you know what, we're kind of getting tired of being bullied around and doing whatever you say, and you're pretending you're your best friend and you're stabbing us in the back a year later. And if we can actually do that, maybe that'll make a change that'll be more permanent. I'm aware that server space is not easy to come by, but you can't make promises like that on a regular basis and then just kind of take it away from people. And I don't think that really works. And there's going to be a lot of people that don't agree with what I'm saying, but really in the long run, it makes sense. There's a lot of people out there using Microsoft Windows and other products and services, and if we don't make a stand now, if we don't actually say and do something, if we just keep taking it like this, they're just going to keep doing it. They're going to keep dishing it out at us. They kind of just, you know, throw the line a little bit and then pull us in just a little bit, and then, you know, just kind of let us go a little bit. I'm kind of getting tired of it. Though I personally am going to be switching off of that. I'm no longer going to be using Microsoft OneDrive for sure. I'm going to try to find an alternative to Office if I need to do things like that for my website. Yeah, I think if I can make a change like that, then anybody can make a change like that. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.